Dito, Mads.
Paupuin mo, paupuin mo.
Mga dito. Share tayo, Mads.
Hi, Titos!
Ito muna, ito.
Okay. Muntik maging kami entry. The power of PT?
PT.
PT, okay. Hi, Titos and Tita. Pero Tita, kasi, okay, gets. Hi, nag-isip. Okay.
Mag-isa ka
Please-
lang kasi. Hi, titos and
And
tita. Tita and tita.
Tita. Okay. Alright. Please hide my identity. My name is, haha, joke lang. Ganda na name niya.
Pasensya ka naman, ganyan silang lahat.
Okay, okay. Alright.
Ay, sorry.
Okay, eto. Wait lang. Okay. Let me take you back to 2015. I met Junjun during a mountain hike in Benguet.
Benguet naman.
Wow. He was a relative of a friend who joined us on the trip. Quiet and reserved. But we connected instantly. Thanks to our shared love for sugar-free.
Yan.
Mukhang
Ito.
yan siya, ha?
Sugar-free, Mads. Andiyan kayo. Ayan, o.
Okay,
Ayan.
what about
Okay.
sa sugar-free?
Hindi, papasok natin yung insert ng Dear Kuya.
Ayan.
Dear Kuya talaga yun, no? Okay, ang tanong, anong album? Nax, biglang.
Hindi, yung Dear Kuya
Dear
mismo.
Kuya, okay. Okay.
Bida ka dun eh.
It felt magical. Signal number 1 hit while we were up there, cutting our 3-day stay short. Forest rangers escorted us down for safety.
Oh.
Wow.
Lagyan mo ng lambing yung basa, Mads.
Okay.
Dahan-dahan. Okay.
He went ahead with his group. When we reached the base, I saw him waving and smiling, waiting for us. Na-imagine ko Na-imagine ko. While waiting for van to take us to the mainland, we shared earphones and listened to Sugar Free's Burnout.
Oh.
Si Direk Corkinaris direct ng
Oo.
music video
At
nun.
ang producer nun,
Ako.
oh.
At saka sinut natin yon sa isang hotel. Motel.
Mariposa yun.
Mariposa ba yun?
Ano?
Iba yun.
Mariposa yung...
77
Yung burnout ba yung may
Ay,
nag-aaway?
hindi. Big Sky Mine.
Big Sky Mine pala, yun.
Yung may nag-aaway ba yung burnout?
Yes. Tapos
Yan,
yung
yan.
babae is from UP Fine Arts. Yung
Nung PD na ngayon.
Parang anak nung may-ari na isang prod house.
Burnout.
Burnout, yes. Burnout.
Yung,
Yes.
si anong bida dyan? Si Legit.
Hindi.
Diba?
Hindi.
Yung kapatid ng taga-syudad.
Yun ba yun? Basta taga Fine Arts yun, di ba? UP
Ayun
Fine
yata
Arts.
yun eh. Oo.
Tapos may
Okay.
kotse siyang maganda.
Sige, tuloy natin.
Yung
Basa.
yan.
Basa.
Basta pag sugar-free music video, malamang. Verbal yan. Si Mads ang producer.
Okay. So, nasa na ba tayo? Okay. With glance at each other now and then, and in that moment, everything felt like a scene from a movie.
Anong movie kaya?
Grabe to Okay. After the hike, I thought that it was it. A fleeting, magical encounter.
Wow.
But a month later, I got a friend request from him. I couldn't hide my smile. Kilig. After the hike, I thought that it was... Ay, naulit ulit. Okay. We started talking more, discovering shared interests. He even traveled to Quezon City to see me. And I visited him too. 12 hours away.
Wow.
We met several times, either in QC or his hometown.
Nako, yan yung sinasabi ni Donnie. Di ba? Yung, ang tunay na pag-ibig ay bulag sa
Yes.
metro ng taxi.
Yes,
Yan.
totoo yan. Tapos walang dahilan pag gusto.
Sige.
Okay. During one of our conversations, he told me he had just broken up with his girlfriend. Wait, sandali. Nakipaglandian siya
Habang sila pa, malayo naman.
Oo, malayo
malayo
naman.
naman
12 hours away, Mads.
Saka baka hindi niya alam na may girlfriend, di ba?
Oo,
Ano ba
pero
yung
yung guy, alam niya na may girlfriend siya. di ba?
Sige.
That's why
Nakita ka
it
na.
took him a while before he sent a friend request. It didn't bother me. We had no label. We simply enjoyed each other's company. No pressure, just possibilities.
Nax.
We both knew we liked each other.
Yan, ganyan kaming mga Gen Alpha, Mads.
Reverse abanger.
Yan lang yung medyo weird, no? Yung no labels. Hindi ko lang kaya
Mads! Hindi weird lang yan ang norm. Ni-normalize na yan.
Parang sayang
Sa mga
effort.
Gen Z.
Sorry, kids.
May ibang ano na ngayon, na wala mo ng label bago kayo pumasok sa isang relasyon.
Hindi
Pero
ko kaya
pa-excuse yan eh, para pwede kang magmomol ng
Yes.
iba. Tapos parang wala
Oh
nang
my God.
label eh.
Diba? Titang-tita
Ito
yung
yun, para sa kaalaman ng lahat. Si RA yung dahilan kung bakit may Gary ako ngayon.
Ayun.
Siya yung nagbibigay ng love advice. So,
Yan.
blessed siya talaga.
Ito
Kasi-
si Tito Gary.
Okay, ano yun? Hindi, yun talagang early on. Kailangan, gusto ko clear.
Ito
Diba?
yung picture ni Tito Gary tsaka na sa kasal.
Oo, picture yun. Oo, yun siya eh.
May due diligence dyan.
Very
Kay,
Tuji. Yes.
Nakuha sa pagda-drums once no?
Hindi ko lang talaga kaya yung ganun, yung walang labels.
may label agad dyan.
Okay.
I was happy. I thought he might be the one.
Ah.
Then came the plot twist. 2 months into our connection, he messaged me. May kailangan akong sabihin sa'yo.
Ayan na!
Oh my God, wait lang. Yan yung mga ayokong linyahan eh.
Pautang.
I felt a chill. Then he sent a photo. I opened it. It was a positive pregnancy test. Oh my God. Anong laban mo dun? Diba?
Time out.
Ano no?
Yung nagpadala ng positive pregnancy test, yan yung
Yung
lalaki.
lalaki.
Yung
Oo.
lalaki.
Ibig sabihin,
Big
yun
girly siya.
sa shota niya.
Hindi.
Ito.
Di ba may mga sa balita sa KMJS?
Ang sunod yun sa
nabubuntis na
Bible.
lalaki.
Oh,
Ito.
yung malaki siya na ganyan, di ba?
Ito yung sagot. His ex-girlfriend was pregnant.
Ah.
3 months along. He didn't know she was expecting when they broke up.
Mhm.
I didn't reply right away. Shit, ang hirap nga nun, no?
Yung mga lumas shot, yung mga last tour niya, may nabuo.
Break up sex.
But then, pwede naman siya maging mommy.
Oh.
At the buzzer, no? Paano siya magiging mommy? May signal ma'am na ano, hindi naman siya, wala siyang kinalaman.
Oo, yung signal, ma'am.
Siya yung bahala dyan.
Sige.
Oo nga.
Tsaka yung lalaki.
So, ito, I didn't reply right away. After an hour, I said, okay lang yan. Wala namang kinalaman ang bata sa paghihiwalay nyo. At blessing yan. I added, it won't change kung ano man ang nararamdaman ko for you.
Oh.
Sabay black.
Black.
Pagkasay black.
Black. Tunay na pag-ibig.
Nakakatawa.
Okay. Sincere siya. Sinabi niya yun, ha?
So, sinabi niya, yes. So, ito. But of course, he chose to take responsibility. So, ano yung binalikan niya just because may anak siya?
Oo, di
Ganun
ba?
na nga.
Parang it doesn't correct the wrong.
Ah.
Correct. Hindi naman ako nag-agree sa guy, actually.
Nagre-record mo yung pag naka-red, no?
Okay.
My world.
My world crumbled. A month before the wedding, I visited him.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe for closure. We went to a dam near his place with friends.
Ay, yung picture.
Oh, wait, patingin.
Ayun, no.
Silang dalawa yan.
Wow! Papakita mo to?
Sino ang kumuha?
Oh, pinadala niya eh. So, pwede ba?
Humallmark. Ito yun.
Baka
no?
chat GPT yan.
Or naka-timer.
Hallmark o game.
So, nag-timer pa sila.
Ah.
Yung naman may official photographer wedding eh. Baka,
Hindi. Okay, sige.
Ito. He apologized, saying this wasn't what he expected. I told him, be a good dad at wag mo akong isipin kasi kaya kong sarili.
ang tibay naman yan.
What?
Ba't kailangan nyo ng closure, no?
Man,
Paano?
hindi yung
Baka may
closure ang
pag-asa.
importante.
Ano yun?
Yung last hurrah.
Break up sex.
Break up.
Break up sex ulit.
Kita mo na na-trademark niya yun.
Oo.
Sige, game.
Sino lang ha?
Grabe ha.
Oo.
I thanked him for the joy he brought me during those months.
Tamo, may joy. Na binigay.
Ito yung pangalan ng anak nila.
Ang twist niyan, nagpadala rin siya ng pregnancy test.
Oh.
Ituloy mo ba?
Counter.
A friend took a photo of us that day. O yun. A
okay.
friend pala. May
Gusto
kasama
kayong
sila.
babae.
Which is our last photo together.
Okay.
I used to think the 3-month rule was for couples who broke up. Turns out, it can also be length of time you thought something was forever.
Bigat mo.
Wow.
Pakiulit.
Napakabigat.
Wait, ulit.
Meron
Process.
pa.
Okay.
Yung buntis yung tayo nagpicture eh.
Okay, fast forward to 2025. He now has 2 kids, but he and his ex-girlfriend have separated. He's with someone new and seems happy.
Kasi nga pinilit nila, nabuntis lang tapos pinakasalan
Diba?
pa niya, di ba?
Nawiwirdo
Pero
ako sa
bakit
ganun eh.
hindi
Double
siya
money.
yung binalikan? May iba pang babae.
Eh kasi siguro a
May
few years
pumayag.
na rin.
Hindi na sila nag-usap. No?
Oo.
Sorry, sinisipon ako. As for me, question mark. Sorry, question mark. As for me,
Maraming option.
Hindi po pa nabasa to.
okay, sorry. He now has 2 kids, but he and his ex-girlfriend have separated. He's with someone new and seems happy. As for me, I'm happy too. I've been with my boyfriend for 5 years.
Naman pala eh.
And we're getting married next time.
Yun naman pala eh.
Next year, next year.
Next year.
Bakit next time? Bakit next time?
Invitation.
Sorry, type ko.
Next year.
Invite namin kayo next time ha.
Boto ko rin. Sorry. Diyan na natawa ko. Okay, and we're getting married next year. I didn't end up with the person I wanted, but I ended up with the person who's right for me. And I couldn't be more thankful. P.S. I've attached your last photo for your eyes only.
Ay!
Sorry!
Sorry, na-post namin.
Ay, sorry. Nawala. Paano pa bumalik
Ang
doon?
gawin niyan, igaya niya yung picture
Ay, okay,
na yan
okay.
pag kinasal sila someday.
Sometime.
Sometime.
Sometimes.
Baka pwede namang i-manipulate to sa chat GPT na maging drawing na lang.
Okay.
Eh kung
Ipatato.
i-drawing mo,
Huwag na, matagal yan.
hindi, habang pwede kong hintayin yan. I-drawing ka lang.
Si Angel, magaling mag-drawing.
Parang mahilig sila sa mga romantic.
Ako magdodrawing.
Yan.
Mano
So
kayo.
anong masasabi mo dyan, Tita
Ako
Mats?
toong artist dito.
Wala. Hindi, kasi
Yung
baka
kanina,
siya yung
sa
type
ilog.
of person na yung mahalaga sa kanya yung kilig.
Tsaka si girl parang pang tunay na pag-ibig, no? Diba?
Hindi enough eh. Ano yung personality mo?
Long distance kasi, Quezon City yung isa 12 hours away. May
Oo.
mabubuntis talaga dyan.
Iloko siguro yan, no?
Pero grabe no, kaka-break up pa lang niya, biglang meron na siyang chili-chicks on the side.
Oh.
Sign number 1. Parang nag-overlap, di ba?
Oo, parang red flag for me yun eh.
Tapos nakikipag-break na pala siya, nakipag-goodbye sex pa siya. Parang ano yun?
Oh, exactly. Medyo weird.
Sa generation namin ni Tina, hindi na ganyan.
Double tita na yan ha. Double tita.
Tita na yan. Ano masasabi mo dyan
Wow,
bilang isang
masasabi
Gen
mo.
Z, Tina?
Okay lang ba? Walang label sa Gen Z word?
Okay lang.
Oh,
Ngayon,
yeah.
ngayon na ngayon. Ano na ngayon? Situationship na ngayon.
Ang term doon, situationship.
Kailangan mutual yung usapan doon.
Noong panahon
Yes.
nyo ba, Tita Mats, walang situationship?
I'm sure meron, pero I can only speak for myself.
Yan. Kayo ba ni Tito Gary, situationship muna
Hindi,
bago, ano?
Hindi kasi,
Pakita mo.
dahil binavalue ko rin yung friendship namin. Dahil kilala ko yung
Ayan ang
family
insert
niya.
natin.
Friends.
Yung
friend
side
ko
by side nyo.
Hindi pwede. Makikita. Basta imagine nyo, yan yung picture na pinadala.
Wala.
I-screenshot nyo,
Ipakita
tapos
mo.
i-chat GPT nyo.
Pakita mo sa mga art connoisseur kung malapit.
Kamukha naman, di ba?
Ayos ba?
Ganda.
Ikaw, Tita Angel, anong masasabi mo dun sa liham na yan?
Player si Boyet.
Oo.
Kasi nag-2 time siya, tapos binuntis pa niya yung ex niya.
Buti hindi siya nabuntis nung nakita sila, di ba?
Tama.
Exactly.
Oo.
Kaya siguro may 3 months rule para malaman mo kung buntis yung yung huli niya.
Oh.
Time first.
Ngayon ko lang naintindihan yun. Posible nga yun.
Diba? Para malinis.
Kasi dun mo malalaman na,
lumalaki
Oo.
din.
Ang pinakita ay picture nung ultrasound.
Oo.
paano kung bato lang yun?
Kadali-daling download niyan sa online.
Oo.
Hindi, may naging anak naman. Nanganak naman.
O kaya nga, malay mo, di makanya yun.
Oo. Para
Gusto lang
mabigyan,
niyang hiwalayan si ate girl.
para mabigyan mo ko ng idea dyan, pwede pala i-download yan, ano?
Hindi kasi may kilala ako, di ba, sa MRT.
Paso akong konti.
Pagbuntis, pinapapunta dun sa special.
Oo.
Minsan, ang ginagawa, yung cellphone, ang mga kababaihan dyan, ano to, life hacks. Nung iba ginagawa hindi ko naman sabihin gawin nyo kasi ibang legit na buntis. Siyempre, kailangan makaupo. Papakita doon sa CQ, ito po, ultrasound.
Kasi hindi pa
So,
malaki.
pwede ko palang gawin yan.
Dapat
Hindi,
medyo
ako pwede kong gawin yan. Malaki yung chan ko.
May gumagawa talaga ng ganyan?
Pilipinas to, dahil scammer.
Oh my God.
Nanakawan nga bilyon yung pangupuan ng buntis.
Sige, okay.
Bars.
Sige,
Bars.
Bars.